Hello student, today we are going to discuss about NEET 2016 question paper. The question is asked from motion in a one dimension. A car is moving in a straight line. Okay, the displacement is given. There are two cars given. Okay, car A, car B, car P and Q. Okay, when the velocity of the both the car is equal, they asked what is the time period will be taken. Okay, velocity of P car is equal to velocity of Q car. Okay, when this two is happening, now what is the time period will be taken. Okay, when they asked velocity from the displacement, means you should differentiate. Okay, first we will differentiate for the car A. Okay, sorry, car P, first car. Okay, so the equation is given for first car. XP displacement is equal to AT plus BT square. Okay, so just I am going to differentiate this equation with respect to the time. dxp divided by dt, it's going to be velocity of the P car. Okay, AT differentiation, T differentiation will be T, A will get. Okay, BT square differentiation, whenever you are differentiating T power n, n T n minus 1, this is a formula. Okay, n is 2 now. Okay, 2 T 2 minus 1, this is a differentiation formula. Okay, this is a differentiation formula. Okay, 2 T 2 minus 1. Okay, now we'll see what is the final equation we'll get. Okay, final equation is going to be velocity of P car is equal to A plus 2bt power 1 will come. Okay, now the velocity of the next car, it's going to be Q car. Okay, the position is given, so xq is given, the position of that car also is given. Okay, see here is equal to ft minus t square. Okay, now velocity of q I want differentiate with respect to the displacement with respect to the time. Just I am differentiating the above equation. Okay, it is q car. Okay, ft differentiation will become f. Okay, t square differentiation will become 2t. Okay, the concept is given, both the velocity is equal, velocity of p is equal to velocity of q. Okay, both the velocity is equal. Okay, so first velocity, what is the answer I got? It's going to be 2, it's going to be a plus bt, a plus bt. Second car, f minus 2t. Okay, they asked what is the time period. The question is very simple. Okay, they asked what is the time period. Okay, here 2 will come. Okay, here 2 will come. They asked what is the time period. Time relation equation, take it as a one side. Okay, here we have time, here we have time. This I am bringing this side, this I am taken that side, a I am taken that side, because I want to make it as a, I want to find the time. Okay, 2bt plus 2t is equal to f minus a. Okay, from this equation t you can take it common, t is into 2b plus 2. Okay, 2b plus 2 is equal to f minus a. Okay, from this equation 2 also you can take it common outside, t is equal to f minus a. So left hand side, so this will become as a denominator 2b plus 2. Okay, 2 also you can take it common outside, f minus a, 2 times of b plus 1. Okay, this is a final equation we'll get. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.